Hi, if what I'm about to show you already exists in South Africa and you can prove it, then we'll give you our full premium package free. So what is our premium package? So it's made up of the DigiWide scan, which is a full, unbiased audit of your digital landscape. A gap fix action plan, which is a prioritized list turning gaps into tasks. 7-11-4 content strategy, which is made up of 7 hours of content covering 11 trust points across 4 best suited channels. And lastly, but not least, real hacker support. We have a hacker network that support our customer base, monitor and watch your domain as a line of defense. So once upon a time, the world was locked down. And every small business became a survival type movie. Isn't it crazy to think that in 2025, if you're watching this, you can make a connection to the movie trailer voice and an actual movie type event? And it was during this time that I worked for the largest management consulting firm in Africa, solving massive problems for top enterprises. But what kept me up at night were my friends, family, and their small businesses. Like for many people, this was a very turbulent time for me. And while doing a KPI session with my manager, I realized that I had around 27 projects over multiple domains in flight or active. And there was one question that I couldn't shake. Why are big businesses getting the playbook and SMEs left in the dark? After analyzing around 500 small businesses at that time, I was facing physical burnout. I noticed how people that I knew, friends and family, that had small businesses were rapidly declining. And I couldn't stand on the sidelines and watch this happen without doing anything. That is when digitalproductmanagers.com was born. At the same time, projects I was involved in were becoming leaner. And leaner in big business means stripping away waste. And for me, that meant getting rid of everything that doesn't serve purpose. And I saw it as permission to help where it really mattered. Hello, I'm Peter, the DPM founder, and I've imprisoned myself to serve the SME sector. I believe it's the lifeblood of any and all economies. Have you ever heard the phrase, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, right? Now, what if I were to ask you, how would you eat a mammoth? And you'd probably think that I'm crazy in asking this. But what if I told you that this company, Colossal.com, is bringing back the mammoth into existence after extinction? You know those dire wolves in Game of Thrones? So they've already done this successfully and brought the 3 dire wolves into existence that had been extinct for over 10,000 years. And so my point is, if we can bring predators back out of extinction after 10,000 years, surely we can bring your business into the digital age, 1 terabyte at a time. But the challenging questions are, where do we start and how do we make sense of all of this? What if the first step isn't digital marketing? What if it's a mirror? A full, unbiased reflection of your entire landscape. Reflecting on how things used to be and how they've been digitized allows for better perspective and less confusion. Wouldn't you agree that, and you've seen this, the more things change, the more they actually stay the same? What about an easy to understand book that gives you the most important 3 things in 5 places that you need to focus on without studying digital management, digital marketing, or coding. Whether it costs something or free, would you read it? What about visiting your customer journey? Have you as a business owner actually recently lived through or done a simulation of your actual customer journey and understood all the pain and gain points throughout that journey? Looked at any gaps, looked at any vulnerabilities, and check what that journey offers.